Hi and welcome back to my channel everyone, and today we're diving into a topic that many of you have asked about, and that's how to tackle that stubborn belly bloat. Well, you can with the help of some amazing herbs. Whether it's bloating or digestive discomfort, I've got you covered with natural solutions that are easy to incorporate into your daily routine. Now, whilst herbal remedies can support digestion and reduce bloating, which may help you achieve a flatter tummy, they are not magic solutions. Key herbs like turmeric, ginger, dandelion root, burdock root, sage, cloves, oregano, and marshmallow root have properties that aid in reducing inflammation, detoxifying the body, and improving gut health. However, achieving a flat tummy also requires a balanced diet, regular exercise, and proper hydration. Consistency and a holistic approach are essential for the best results. Now, before I get started, first, let me share a story. I spoke to a young lady today who's also had a bit of a round tummy despite being slim and active. Now, she can't shake off that belly. Does that sound familiar? Well, it turns out her diet and hydration habits were playing a huge role, and she's now on a journey to better digestive health, and I'm here to share the herbal remedies that are helping her and can help you too. So let's get started with a powerhouse duo, and that's organic turmeric and ginger. I've used up my ginger today, but both are anti-inflammatory. Now, to prepare them, you need to boil 2 cups of water. Add 1 teaspoon of organic turmeric root powder to the boiling water. Grate a small piece of ginger, about 1 inch, and add that too. Let it simmer for 10 minutes, strain and enjoy. Now, drink this tea once daily, preferably in the morning to kickstart your digestion. Now, turmeric contains curcumin, which reduces inflammation and antioxidative stress in the gut. And ginger aids in speeding up gastric emptying, reducing bloating. Now, next up, we have organic dandelion and organic burdock root. Now, these herbs are fantastic because they have detoxifying properties for the body, and they reduce water retention. So for this concoction, boil 2 cups of water, add 1 teaspoon of dried dandelion root, add 1 teaspoon of burdock root, and simmer for 10 minutes. So on the left, we've got the dandelion root. On the right-hand side, we've got the burdock root. Now, you can consume this tea once daily in the afternoon to help with digestion and detox. Now, dandelion root is a natural diuretic, helping the body to eliminate excess water, and organic burdock root promotes healthy liver function and bile production, aiding your digestive system. Now, let's talk about sage and clove. Now, this infusion is a great combo. It's excellent for maintaining healthy gut flora and reducing digestive discomfort. As you can see, you've got the sage here. Now, I've got wild organic sage, which is important, and organic clove. Now, for this remedy, you need to boil 2 cups of water, add 1 teaspoon of dried organic sage leaves, and 3 organic whole cloves. You let it steep for 10 minutes, strain and sip. You can enjoy this infusion once daily, especially after meals, to aid digestion. Now, sage has anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, and while cloves have antiseptic qualities. The antiseptic qualities balance the gut bacteria and reduce bloating, which make these a really dynamic duo. And finally, for a soothing digestive tea, try wild organic oregano and organic marshmallow root. Now, this blend calms the digestive tract and eases any discomfort. And to actually combine these, you just need to boil 2 cups of water, add 1 teaspoon of dried oregano, add 1 teaspoon of dried marshmallow root, simmer for 10 minutes and strain and drink. Now, you can drink this tea once a day in the evening for a calming effect on your digestion. Now, oregano has antimicrobial properties, while marshmallow root forms a protective layer over the digestive lining, reducing irritation. Now, here are a few cautions. While these herbs are generally safe, it's essential to source organic herbs to avoid pesticides and other harmful chemicals, and also make sure you get them in their purest form, because this is going to help with their effectiveness. Also, start slow. Introduce 1 tea at a time to see how your body reacts. And always consult your doctor, especially if you're pregnant, nursing, or on any medication. Now, consistency is key, and herbal remedies take time. Expect to see results in 2 to 4 weeks with regular use. And there you have it. It's simple, effective. These herbal remedies can help you to achieve a flatter tummy and better digestion. But remember, everybody is different, so listen to your body, and adjust as needed. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel, and hit that notification bell for more health tips and natural remedies. So here's to your health, and see you in the next video.